All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So physical, relating to the body and or something tangible you can touch. Physical. This is a physical book. Oh yeah, this is a physical book. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. I don't buy physical books often now. No. You have to be careful with physical things and not to damage them. Careful with the physical thing. Yeah, very good. Those things exist in the physical world. A lot of things exist in the physical world. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah. A lot of things exist in the physical world. Books, shirts, desks, boxes, a physical box, hats, very physical. Very physical. How cool is that? That was a physical test of endurance. Yeah, running was a physical test of stamina. A physical test of the body. I am building up my physical body. Yes, I have to do a lot of running, which is a physical exercise. There will be a physical examination by the doctor. Yes, they need to know that you have a strong physical body. Very important. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So physical, you can touch, or physical with the body. Yeah. So can you use physical in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.